Good morning, everybody. One of Jan's subscribers asked him to ask me to make a video about this motorbike. I think it was in one of the videos about the bicycle that I repaired that he saw it in the background. There's a story regarding this bike, and this is like it. What happened like 34 years back when I met my wife. She used to drive this motorbike from a flat to work every day, and since we met, she actually used it like 2 months after the first pregnancy. So it was in the family since. We were standing a long time. Maybe once a year I start the bike, then we drove around the block. That's it. But in the meantime, the indicators fell off, and a few things happened. The tires was a bit cracked. I wonder if you still get spares or tires for this bike. The model is a FA50 Suzuki. I'm going to show you around and see. You can also see a little bit of the motorbike, and then we can have a drive around the block. Before I forgot, there's another thing to the story. This motorbike was won at the golf game. It was won by a friend of my wife's father. So that was like before I actually met her. And then he gave the motorbike to her to drive to college every day. Alrighto, you can see the mirrors. I had to cut new ones once they was broken. Here's another one. Here's the ignition switch, still original, and the cutoff switch. You see, you can just maybe see the indicators are missing. They was used to be here. And then you can see the tires. Let me just see the tires here. You can see how they cracked here. They're cracking, so that doesn't look so good. And what else is here that I can show you? Here's some modification to the fuel valve. I just leave it like this normally, then it's fine. Just like here's like old license plates, AA Mutual. It was registered in the Free State because my other brother, Kosi's wife, actually used it. She bought it from us, and she driving to work every day, but then we got it back eventually. Here's the oil plug for the oil inside the gearbox. 2 months ago I had to replace this small fuel pipe. It was actually leaking. First time in 34 years. The rest is still standard. Here's the oil, the 2-stroke oil indicator. But I never use it. I actually thought maybe this unit, there's something wrong with the oil. It mixed the oil inside the engine somewhere. But I somehow opened and mixed the 2-stroke oil with the fuel, and I put it in the fuel tank. And it's quicker. Okay, what we do now, I have a syringe here. Then I open this fuel tank. Then I get some fuel out of here. Like here. Then you take this fuel and I put it inside here. Here's it. Then I spray it like inside the engine, inside here by the, just again, like the carburetor. Okay. And I close this again. I'm going to put a cable tie around it because the plastic is frot already. Okay, now we put this back, the syringe back. We close the fuel cap. Okay, now we're going to switch it on and put it on here. Then I must, you pull the You just hold here, pull here, and then you're gonna kick it. You first have to push the choke. Okay. Push the brakes and then it stops the wheel. Okay, we're gonna go around the block just now. Okay, there's it. I also once put some new material around the seat here because it was old. I just put a plastic over here for all the dust and the rain. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's kick it. Like that. Hooray! Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Hope this is what you were looking for. If you like this video, subscribe or give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Cheers.